Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to break down how I managed to catch about 420 pips on Cadjpy. Watch the rest of the video to actually find out what happened, what made me take this particular trade, and everything else. Alright, so let me just do some breakdown of how I managed to catch this trade on Cadjpy right now. Alright, so like I always tell you guys, make sure you are trading in the direction of the major trend. So this is what we had on Cadjpy, right? So we had the major trend to the downside, okay? And then what did we have? We had a nice rally, base, drop, supply zone, right? After this, we had the market giving us equal highs at this level right here, and then the market dropped. The market pushed back to come and take out these highs right here into our area, and then we saw a major drop to the downside. This was absolutely great. So let me just show you everything, right? So right here is our rally base, drop, supply zone. Okay, so that's our rally base, drop, supply zone. Let's just go ahead and just put that there. So that's rally base, drop, supply zone. Okay, and then we have our equal highs here. So we have our equal highs right here. Okay, very simple, right? We have our equal highs right there, and then we have our higher high right here, like that. And then we have our break of character, our change of character right here. Very simple stuff. Okay, very basic. And then we had, of course, our lower low was created at this level right here, like that. And then, yeah, basic stuff. And then we had the market coming into our area, and then we were triggered by our entry, and then guess what? We jumped into this particular trade, and guess what? It dropped about 400 pips, which was facilitated by the news. This was absolutely amazing. So what was the first thing that we noted here? We had to identify the overall direction of the market, which was in a downtrend. Fine, you have that out of the way. What's the next thing? You have to make sure that you have a rally based drop or a drop based rally. Whatever you're going to have, make sure it's there and intact. All right, so we have our rally based drop supply zone. Okay, make sure that also there's a change of character. We have that. And then how did the market come to you? You saw equal highs being created. When equal highs are created, what comes into your mind? Liquidity. And what do? You wait for the liquidity to be taken out. And once the liquidity has been taken out, you wait for your confirmation at this level right here. And when you have your confirmation, what do? Execute. Predefine your risk. Know exactly how much you're going to lose in dollar amount. Know exactly how much you're risking, and then let the trade do what it has to do. We are lucky in this particular trade, the market dropped because of news, and everything was quick and nice. Really nice. Very basic setup. Let me just show you right now. Okay, so this is our trade. So you can clearly see on the 4-hour time frame that the major trend on Cadjpy has been what? Has been down. Therefore, what are you looking for? You're looking for selling opportunities, right? Go to the 1-hour time frame. What do you have? You have really basic stuff here. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Here, very nice here. You see some good structure right here. So you have a rally based drop supply zone, and then you have a change of character like that. And what else do you have? You have a very nice rally based drop, which was caused by these momentum candles right here, inefficiency candles right there, imbalance candles right there, and that just tells you that there's presence of what? Smart money in the market. And what do? You go to the lower time frame and do what? And find your order block. Extremely important. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Right on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, we have our order block right there. You could have chosen to actually go with that, but I chose to go with the whole thing right there. So let's use the 15 minutes time frame, which looks very good. So 15 minutes time frame looks very clean. And then,
hello there. Do you like the way we trade and would like to trade exactly like I've shown you? Well, wait no more. We have our M&F Forex Trading Mastery course, which comes with a ton of extensive, in-depth tutorials on our trading strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. Our strategy has been back-tested and forward-tested and has shown positive expectancy over the years. When you enroll into our course, you get benefits like lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free.
We just do that, and then we have our label right there. Nice. We go back to our 30-minute time frame. We do this. Check. And it's still dropping, and the TP is just reached. So we have a random based drop supply zone. We have equal high and equal high. This is the type one of the types of liquidity that you have to look for. You have equal high. So what do? We wait for the liquidity to be taken out. And once the liquidity has been taken out, what do? You wait for your confirmation. Let's see what was happening on that particular level right here. Clean. Okay, so we had multiple rejections on the lower time frame. Just like that, you can clearly see that we had a lot of rejections here. Right here. We had a lot of ton of rejection right there. And just like that, this trade we entered, and guess what? The market dropped about 420 pips, about 21 risk to reward ratio. Absolutely amazing. You can clearly see that the market is still dropping. The market is still literally dropping to the downside. That's a good thing of trading in the direction of the major trend. Always trade in the direction of the major trend, because the market can literally continue to go in your direction. You can just keep on managing your trade. Right here, you can clearly see that this big move was caused by news, and it's easier for you to actually manage the trade when the market is moving like that. All right, and the market just dropped, gave us a pullback here, and the market continues to drop to the downside, right? And the potential is literally limitless. The market can come here, can even come here. Nobody knows, right? You can just keep on trading the stop loss, and that's how you do it. When you trade in the direction of the market, you can just keep on trading the stop loss, and the market can continue to go in your direction. And then if the market tries to pull back and actually get you out, you'd have secured all this profit from here to there. That's how you trade like a pro. All right. So this was extremely amazing. Of course, they don't come around very often. They will come, but not as often. Therefore, you have to endure those small losses. You're going to have make sure that you keep your losses small and your winners big. Right? Just imagine having a 1 to 20 risk reward ratio. That's absolutely crazy, right? That's very good. So this is how we call this particular trade. Absolutely monster of a trade, and yeah, it was really amazing. So the links are down in the description if you'd like to trade exactly like I've shown you right now. The links are down in the description. The first link in the description shows you exactly where you find our mastery course, and you can just have access to lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and all those good stuff, right? So that's how you do it. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.